Well, as you can see, Seattle for D. Wilson did not end very well. As I'm recording this, there's been no updates to what happened, but as you can see right here, he goes to the whoops and he just very awkwardly slams into his bike. And from what you can see, like some comments I've found on Twitter and whatnot, there's people saying that while he was down, you could literally see like blood pooling around him. And the idea or the thought is that when he hit the tough blocks, the bike turned, and you can see him here. He did not get up. He did not move. He was down for a long time, for multiple laps. As you can see, Anderson fly by him, and here's some actually really good stills of the crash. But obviously, he got a little bit sideways or hit a whoop weird, whatever it was, and just obviously you lose the skim. Your front wheel goes in. You lose all control. But I guess the idea or the thought is that when he hit the tough blocks right on the other side of the finish jump, whatever you call it, the bike turned, and I guess the foot peg, which the foot pegs on these bikes are about as sharp as you could possibly get, either caught him in the leg or the ass or something like that, and probably tore him a new one. But personally, I really like Dean Wilson. I think he's an awesome character, great guy in the race, but I hope he's doing okay, and tell me what you think in the comments below, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.